Hi everyone, and welcome to today's edition of the PAL Education mini tutorial series. I will be going through the topic of interweaved patterns. This forms part of our selective test training that we run for Year 6 kids. Now let's start. We have interweaved patterns is the topic. Now to define that, it is a pattern that can be made up of multiple smaller patterns. We all know what the word weaved means, don't we? Weaving means to go in and out of, or to alternate between, or to exchange, and so on. So patterns that are interweaved means that they are made up of two or more smaller patterns that have just been combined together. So they exist together. We're going to use an example to see how that's demonstrated. So let's say we have the number pattern here, 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. That's actually made up of two smaller patterns, 1 2 3 4, that has been interweaved or interchanged with another one that goes 4 3 2 1. Can you all see that it's made up of two patterns, just changing from one to the next, one to the next? And each one has its own way of determining its rule. So that's the interweaved. Now this is the two separate ones, and I've highlighted using the colors, and they've been interweaved. From this, it's very easy to see which is the next one. Firstly, the next box. What color would that be? Well, we're going from red, blue, so at the end we've got red, blue, then it'll be red. So it'll be part of the red pattern. And what's the next number after the red pattern? 1 2 3 4. You can easily see that it's 5. So the next number in this particular pattern is 5. As an extension, could we all see what the next number would be? Well, we've just done a red one, so the next one would be blue. On the blue pattern, what's the next number? We've got 4 3 2 1. The next number is easily 0. Okay, so that is an example of an interweaved pattern. Let's have a look at some more examples. Now let's have a look at the checkpoint here. I'll go through with you just one, and I'll leave the questions B and C for you to do at home, and you can feel free to post up your solutions on the comments, and we'll let you know whether that's correct or not. So looking at checkpoint question number A, we've got 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1. Can you see what the interweaved patterns are? Using my color coding, let's see, that's 1, skip, go to the next, 2, skip, go to the next, 3. Are we forming a pattern? Yes, we can. We can verify that. 1 2 3, the next one should be 4, and yes, it is. So there you go, you've established one of your smaller patterns. Let's have a look at what the other one is. 1 1 1 1. That's easy, isn't it? That's just simply a pattern with one repeating. So answering what the next number here would be, would it be part of the blue pattern, or would it be part of the red? Because the one right before it is blue, the one after it would be a red, and the number, follow the pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 it'll be. And if you really want to go to the next one, we follow the blue pattern, and since the blue pattern was just repeating ones, the next number would be 1. Okay, well I hope that was very clear and straightforward for you to understand. As practice, I'd like you to see if you could complete questions B and C, and again post up your comments, post up the answers in the comments section, and we'll let you know and guide you through what you've put as your answers. Now before I sign off, I do want to make a note. What we've dealt with so far are patterns that are made up of two smaller ones. This may not always be the case. You could sometimes come across interweave patterns that are made up of 3 smaller ones, or even 4 smaller ones. And the only way you'll know is just check whether there is a rule that seems to be followed here. So this one, 1 2 3 4, that is a pattern. So that would verify for you that's one smaller one, and this one is another pattern. So as long as it follows a rule, you know that you're on the right track. Well, good luck everyone, and look forward to seeing your answers.